This is the pathway for us to build innovation partnership with community leaders, with investors, with partners from state government as well as from federal government. But more importantly, changing the culture in academia from just focusing on education, even though that is our primary mission, to educate the future leaders of the society. But in today's world, as compared to like 20 or 30 years ago, the mission of the institution has transformed for good and for the benefit of the society, and also a direct linkage with the economic development.
The mission of NJIT Center for Translational Research, and this is a center that principally funded by National Science Foundation, is to promote and facilitate collaborative research, innovative partnerships, and entrepreneurial pathway, and much, much more, with the goal of translating technology into application with high societal and economic impact. In other words, we're making living much, much better. So this closely connects with our history at NJIT as being one of the most innovative and entrepreneurial campuses in America.
I come from NSF. National Science Foundation has this new directorate, which is called Technology, Innovation, and Partnership. And the entire goal is to promote innovation and entrepreneurship for broader impacts. And with that, there are several programs under NSF, under TIP Directorate. One of the programs that I work with is accelerating research translation. And entire goal is how we can build capacity and infrastructure around our academic institutions so that they can support students and faculty members to make their dream come through.